Hello, this is Derek, and here we have these questions. And first question is: create a multi-thread Java application which creates three threads named T1, T2, T3. T1 should print hello for every 2 seconds, T2 should print welcome for every 3 seconds, and T3 should print good morning for every 5 seconds. Repeat this for 5 times and terminate the application with a message of goodbye. So here's the program. So in the main function, I made uh, three threads, thread 1, thread 2, and thread 3. So inside thread 1, I'm using a for loop for 5 iterations and just printing hello, and then using the sleep, using sleeping for 2 seconds. And similarly in thread 2, I'm printing welcome and sleeping for 3 seconds, and in thread 3, I'm printing good morning and sleeping for 5 seconds. And then at last we just T1, T2, T3 dot start. So let's run this program. So you can see this is these messages will come at the intervals of 3 seconds, 2 seconds, and 5 seconds respectively. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So yeah, it's complete in 5 seconds. So this is the output. So now going for the second question. Second question is: create a Java multi-threaded application to concurrently print the message ping pong for every 1 second. Your application should print the above message using two threads, that is T1 and T2, where T1 should print ping and T2 should print pong. Implement this scenario using multi-threading with synchronization. So here is the implementation. Again, we have two threads. I've used anonymous functions for defining the threads. So these are synchronized functions, and inside that, while true, I'm just printing ping and sleeping for 1 second. And in thread 2, I'm printing pong and again sleeping for 1 second, and then just starting these two. So when we start this, we get the result something like this: ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, and this keeps on going. So this is it. And the third problem is that create a Java application to solve the producer and consumer problem using Java's inter-threaded communication as follows. So get a sentence as an input and extract the words from it. Now producer should produce word by word and consumer must consume that word respectively. So here is the code. I've made a class called buffer in which I have this string word which is common. The producer is going to set values in the word, this word, and the consumer is going to consume that word and make it empty again. And these both are synchronized functions. So void produce. See, while this is the first time accepting a string from the user. Yeah. Next line, this one, and then I'm just splitting the string into array of words. This, and then I'm just initializing. This is the constructor of the buffer class. So I'm initializing these things here. So in the producer, while I is greater than 0, then while word is not equal to empty, if the word is empty, then it will skip this while loop and come here to the next line, and it will put the word of this index into this word variable, and then just print it, and then it is going to notify the consumer this function so that this can start running again. And this, while word is empty, it should wait because the buffer is empty, so it can't consume anything. But when this is false, it will go and it will just print the word. and then it will again make the word empty and notify the producer. So here is the main function. I've made a new buffer object here, and thread 2 and thread 1 and thread 2. In thread 1 I just called the function produce, and in thread 2 I called consume, and now both are running simultaneously. So let's see how it works. So enter string. So see here's the output. So this is in the reverse order actually. So hello, producer produced U and the consumer consumed U. Producer again produced R and consumer consumed R. So this is a how and then how, hello, hello, and these are all synchronized. So this is how it works. Thank you.